Okay, so today I have this question, longest repeating character replacement. So it is also another medium level question. And see what's written here. You are given a string and a string s and an integer k. Okay, so we have given two things, a string s and integer k. You can choose any two strings and change it to any other uppercase English letter. Okay, so see, constraint is that every string letter will be uppercase. Okay, so this see this a b, everything is in uppercase and you can perform this operation at most k times. Okay, so see this ab is a string. We can choose any two letters and we can change it to whatever we want. But we have to find longest string which will be have every character same. So let me show you what they are talking about. Suppose I have string like this. This is not a very good example which they have written. Suppose what shall I take? A B C A B S. Suppose this is a string. So and k is what? My k is suppose k is equals to what? 3. Yes. So let us take k3. So we can replace three characters and we have to form longest string. So okay. So I will first I will replace this b to a. I will change this to a. Okay. Okay. This is yes. That's not what I want. Yes. I will change this to a. Okay. I'll change this c to a, again a, and I'll change this B to again A. I can only do this type of three operations. I can only select three letters and I'll change it all to A. And see, the longest string I got is A. Now my string will be 5A. So this is my longest string. I cannot use S now because K is only 3. I can only replace three different characters. Or see, what can we do more? So we can uh, we can do what? We can change this a to b. We can change this a to b. We can change this c to b. Okay, and we can change this another a to b also. So that when if we do this something like this, suppose I am writing this a to b. Okay, and this b was again b, no change. C to also b and a to also b. Suppose if I do something like this. Okay, so wait. Suppose if I do something like this. Wait, let me. Yes, see, if I change this A, C, and A, I change all this thing, and this. If I all change all of them to B, B, not A, B, then we will get longest string of B, which is of 4 length. But we were getting longest string of 5 length when we were changing this B, C, and B to A. Yes, so that was our solution for this question. And here also, if I take their example also, AB. So I'm taking time because I want to explain it to you in detail. So AB. So here K is equals to 2. So I can take any two characters and I can change them to whatever I want. So I will take these to B and I will change them to A. Or I can take these to A and I can change them to B. So longest character will get is 4 length. So now what is the approach? What should be my approach? So what I will do? See, suppose I'm modifying this example. Okay, so I'm modifying this example A, B, and C, and suppose K is equals to 2. Yes, so I can change any two character and make the longest. So if you take this example, you have to change only two character. The maximum length you will get is 4. Suppose if we take this, we will replace A and C to B. Then the maximum length of B string without any with all repeating character is B, which is 4. Yes, if I take this string, this wait, okay, why can't I select this? Yes, if I take this, I'll change both B to A. So longest repeating character string is A, which is 4A. So again 4. So yeah, answer will be 4 here. But how to do this? So let me write index also. So its index is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is its index. So I'm removing that original part. Yes, and now see this. Just focus what I'm saying. Okay, so yes, this will be my index. These all yes, and this is my string and this is k. Okay, so see, initially I will use C's whenever you get some question like substring type question. Always go for sliding window. It will not work always, but it will work in most of the cases. That's what I'm saying. So I will move my I pointer, make my I pointer here, and I'll make my J pointer here, which I'll take blue colors. Okay. So yes. Okay. So wait, I here and J again here. Okay. And see, we take this in center because I and J are initially here, and my window is this. Window is this. Only this A. So I will create a map. Initially, I will create a map. So how can we create a map? So before everything, before everything, I'm not writing everything. It will take a long portion of my page. Before everything, I will do what? I will create a map. See this. Uh, I'm writing that map here. Map, this is before writing anything. So I'll point a value to 1, means we have something in map and its value is a, and it is a first character of our string and its value is 1. Matlab, its count is 1. Okay, its count is 1, and I and j are pointing to 0. I is equals to 0, j is equals to 0. This type of pseudo code which I'm writing. Okay, this is, you have to do this thing before everything. Now first iteration comes into the picture. First iteration, I'm not writing iteration. Okay, so I and j are at 0. I is equals to 0, I is equals to 0 comma j is equals to 0. Yes, and map was what? Map is this a tending to 1. A value is 1. Okay, so what we will check is window valid. So how can I check that window is valid? See, to check, there's a formula of checking window is valid. Total character in map minus maximum character in map. You will understand why I'm saying this formula. So see, total character, how many characters are there in map? So total value of a is 1. So means only one character we found. Okay, the total is the sum of values of map. So values, only we have only one value which is 1. So total is 1. Total minus maximum. So I'm writing like this. Just see what I'm saying. Total minus maximum. T minus m. T minus m. Okay, is equals to uh, total is 1 and maximum is also 1 because we have only one character. So it is 0. It is less than equal to k. K was what? K was 2. Yes. So wait. Let me make it small. Yes. So this is our first iteration. Less than equal to k. Yes. So 0 is less than again 0, which was less than 2. K was 2 here in this question. So yeah, our window is valid. Valid window. Okay. If window is valid, then what we will do? Suppose if window is valid, then I will increase my j pointer, j plus plus. So let's increase it. J will come here, and I will update my map also. And map is equals to what? A tending to 2. Why A tending to 2? See, not A tending to 2. A tending to 1, comma B. Wait, B tending to 2. Or not to 1. B value is also 1 inside map. Okay. So in my next iteration, see, this whole was first iteration. Now I'm writing, I'm changing it to yellow color. Okay. So now I'm writing for third iteration, second iteration, second. I is was at 0. And see, when we did j plus plus, j was at which position? 1 position. So j is equals to 1. 0, j is equals to 1, and map was see, map window was valid. Was our window valid? So total is what? 1 plus 1 2 minus maximum value is both 1, both are 1, so we can take in each of them, any of them can maximum. So max value, let's take 1. So 2 minus 1 is what? 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, which is less than equal to 2. Yes, you can think like this. So 2 minus 1 is 1, which is again less than equal to 2. So valid window, valid. Okay, so I'm writing just valid. If you see this solution, you will understand it why I'm saying this. So see, which is window is valid. Okay, so if window is valid, we have to do what? J plus plus. We are doing good. And see, initially I did not do one thing. So if your window is valid, calculate the window size, ws. Window size, again formula is same, j minus I plus 1. This I told you in my last video. Window size, I will calculate window size, then I will plus j plus plus. And see, you cannot do j plus plus then calculate window size, because then window size will be disturbed. This time I was 0, j was 0, so window size was 1. See, when j and I were at same place, window size is what? 1. 0 minus 0 plus 1, it's 1. Yes, again. So j will increase then. This was my first iteration. Now again, before doing j plus plus, I will calculate window size. Window size is what? J minus I plus 1. J is what here? J is 1. 1 minus 0 plus 1 is 2. Yes, 1 minus 0 plus 1. It's 2. So I'll do j plus plus and I'll update my map. Map will become what? Map will become j plus plus. See, when I do j plus plus, now I update my map. So a, we will have 2a in our map, means a value is 2 and b value is 1. Again, very easy. So uh, just see this, how good this solution is. You can use, see, you can use array also here. I will tell you how. Okay, so see, this is my second iteration, and now third iteration. So third iteration, I is equals to 0, and j is what? See, last time our j was 1. I added j plus plus, so j is at now second position. J is at 2 position. Dry run will take some time, but it will help you a lot. So, and now I'll check again window is valid or not. So see this map for valid window. Window is valid. So 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. Again, 1 is less than. So 1 is less than equal to 2. Yes, k means k. This is 2. So I'm writing only 2 only. So 1 is less than 2, valid window. Valid. If window is valid, then what to do? If window is valid, then calculate the window size. Window size is what? J minus I plus 1 again. So j was 2, j minus I plus 1, 3. Window size is 3. And j plus plus. So whenever I write j plus plus, just move your j like this. J will come here. And now, wait, j plus plus. And map will become what? Map will be, see, J is here, and B, we'll get two B's in our map. So okay, A is 2, A is 2, comma, B is also 2. This is our map for our third iteration. I'm writing it like this. Wait, see, this is the dry run of this code. Okay, so whatever I was writing, I'm dry running it here. So let's see how good I can do this. So see, this yellow color was my first iteration. This pink color or light pink color is my second iteration, and this is my third iteration. So now we are going towards fourth iteration, and let's see what will happen in this fourth iteration. And see, uh, wait, let's see this fourth iteration as well. So fourth iteration, I is what? 0. I is equals to 0. And j is what? J in our last iteration, j was 2 and we did j plus plus. Yes, j was 2 and we did j plus plus, so j is 3. And if you will see here, j is 3. J is at third index. Yes, so j is at 3. And then we'll check that window is valid. So see, for again valid window, check the latest map. Latest map is what? This map. If I use this laser pointer, uh, wait, uh, see this map. See, for window size, see this map to check window is valid. So maximum value is what? 2, and total value is what? 4. 2 plus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, again equal to 2, less than equal to 2. Yes, so wait, again, yes. So window is 0. So window is total minus maximum. Total minus maximum. Total is what? Total is 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Again, less than equal to 2. So it is not less than, it is equals to 2. So window is valid. Yes, window is valid. Then what we have to do? We have to calculate WS, window size. Window size is what? J minus I plus 1. J is 3 minus I is 0. Okay. So J minus I. 3 minus 0 plus 1. So 3 minus 0 plus 1 is what? 4 again. So yeah, window size is 4. And if I now increase my j pointer, then increase j pointer, and whenever you increase j pointer, just do like this, increase it, and then update map by seeing this j pointer. So if I see j is at c, so now my map will have some extra characters. What is that extra character? Map is equals to a2 comma b1, not small b, it's capital B, and it's also b is also 2, and then comma, wait, comma c 1. Yes, so okay, I think you cannot see this. I'm making it small. See, this will be my map. Okay, so this will be my map, a to b, b to c1. Okay, So now in see this last iteration we will have some good things in this last iteration. So and this was what iteration this was? This was I think fourth iteration. Yes, fourth. Yes. So now last iteration comes into the picture. So wait, let me make it small as well because I do not have that much space. Okay. So now fifth iteration comes into the picture. Fifth. I'm writing it with red pen. Why? See, I was at 0 and J was at J was last at third and we did J plus plus, so J will be at 4. Okay, and if you see here, J is at 4 only. So now see, window is not valid this time. Why window is not valid? See, this sum is, what is this sum? Uh, this sum is 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus maximum value is 2. So now we are getting 3. 3 is less than 2. Okay, so window is not valid this time. So I'm writing it here. Uh, Window valid or not? So 3 minus 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is not less than 2. It is greater than 2. So window not valid, not valid. Yes, window is not valid. Then what shall I do? If window is not valid, just shrink your window. Right now you are increasing your window like this. J is increasing, J is increasing. Now shrink your window if window is not valid. So if window is not valid, make I to wait. Let me write that. I is equals to 1. Move I to one step ahead. And now update map. So if you move I to one step ahead, let me move it. So if I move my I to one step ahead, suppose I move my I to B, then I have to reduce its value inside the map. Initially its value was what? So before moving that, see, I'll do this. Wait, let me write it. Map will look like what? A value was 2 initially, but as I move my eye, one of the A is not inside my window. See, when I move my eye, my window is this BAC. Okay, okay, not like this. My window is this only now. When I moved my eye, so this initial this one A was not in my window, so I have to reduce the count of A. Now only one A I have in my window. This another A was not in my is not in my window right anymore. So uh, that was the making point. That was the point why I made this map. So A will be 1, and B will also be 2, and C will be 1. Okay, C will be uh, 1. So this is my last iteration, and then J will go out of bound. Okay, so this is the whole code, and if you check this, this is also a valid window. And if you check this, now again I will check, is this a valid window? Our solution is not over now, till now. Is this a valid window? And I won't do J plus plus till now. Sorry, I did this wrong. I won't do J plus plus now. I updated my map. I updated my I. I is 1, J is 4. Now again I will check, is this a valid window? See, if you see this, 2 plus 1 is what? 2, 3, 4. 4 minus maximum value 2. 2 again 2. It is a valid window. Then I will check a window size, and window size will come out 4 here. And then I will do what? I will do J plus plus. After this iteration, J will go out of bounds. So this was a very easy explanation, I think. And if you again didn't understand it, you can rewatch, or you can just take a paper and pen and dry run it. You will understand clearly. This is not a very tough problem. So last problem which we did was really tough. So in comparison to that, this is easy. So let me write code for it. I is equals to 0. So writing code is also a big task. If you want, you can just pause the video and write your code. So uh, let while. So before running this while loop, or you can use array here, which was I was saying. See, why you can use array here? Your array will have, see, constraint is 26 letters, English letters only, uppercase, that are 26. Yes, 26 letters are there in total in English. So you can do what? You can make a array of 26 zeros, and whenever you find a, upgrade the index to 1. A is at 0 at index, B is at 1 at index. Just upgrade it, set index to 1. If again found A, set index to 2. Just like this, but I am not doing that. That will confuse you. So let map is equals to, again map will have what? So map of s of 0 is equals to 1. Yes, initially map has something. So while j less than what? J less than s dot length. Yes, while j less than s dot length. Yeah, again we are going good. So while j less than a, if my window is valid, I'm writing is valid, and I will send this is a function. I will send map and k to it, and I'll get something from that function. If this function will tell me is my window valid. So for checking window valid, we used map. So this function will also use map and k. Okay, we also use that because so, and it will tell if window is valid. See that I what I written, I will do that only. If the window is valid, I will calculate window size first. So ws is what, or let me write a variable here. Let maximum window mw is equals to wait let mw is equals to 0. Initially window size is 0, and let me give a space here. Yes. So math dot max, see, mw is equals to math dot max mw comma j minus I plus 1. This was a formula of calculating window. Yes. See, now again I will do what I written there, what I have written there. So let me see. Window size is 1, and then I will do j plus plus. I will increase my j pointer and I will update my map. So okay, let's increase j pointer will increase. And now how to update map? So if your map has that character s of I, I'm writing the easiest code s of I. So if my map has, or suppose it is not undefined, or it has, because we have English characters, so I can write this. If my map has that s of I, means if my map, let me show you. Suppose our pointer is at this b and our I is at this. So if we have this b in our map, we do not have right now. Or let me write, if we do not have this b, then map of s of j is equals to 1. Set its value to 1. If we do not have this, we did what? We set b value to 1. And if we have this, else do what? Else. If we have this, map of s of j plus plus. Yes, we'll do something like this. If we have this, in second iteration we have a, so we just incremented the value of a. Else, suppose if our window is not valid, so this code was for valid window. If that window is not valid, then what to do? So what to do then? So I will reduce s of I minus minus value at that map. See what I did in my last iteration. I reduced the value of a, and I then incremented I. So reduce the value and I plus plus, then plus plus I. Okay, if you plus plus I, then reduce it. So I will come at second index, and in second index value will be reduced. So I don't want that. So map of s of I minus minus. Yeah, we are good, and we are writing it good. And see j plus plus and I plus plus from here. Shrink the window. Okay, so now we have to write a one code as well. Function of is valid. Function is valid. So again, okay, I'm doing a lot of spelling mistakes. Is valid will have what? Map comma k. Yes. Now I will do what? So how can I check? So we have a function in JavaScript. Let keys is equals to. I'm writing it k only. K is equals to object dot keys. Keys. Yes. I think this is the function. Object dot keys and map, and this will give something like this will give me something like this. So our suppose our map is this a b c, so a1 b2 c1, so it will give me an array of this a, array of keys, comma b comma c. This function will give me something like this. Okay, array of keys. Now I'll start a loop here. Let x is equals to 0. Yes, and again very simple, x less than k dot length, k dot length, and x plus plus. Yes, again very simple thing. And then I will take let t was what? Total. I was using that when I was writing. And let max is also 0 right now. So max will contain what? Max is equals to math dot max of what? Value of that, see, uh, which one is in inside this max. So map of not map, which was our array, k of not wait map of map of that value, uh, k of 0, k of I, k of x, yes, k of x, yes, map of k of x. See, this k is this array and k of x is this a b c. So map of b, if it is maximum, then it is the map dot max this comma m. Yes. So yeah, now we are doing it right. So map dot max map of kx comma m. Okay, again perfect. So and total is equals to total plus is equals to, so total we have to add each value. So map of k of x, yes, that is it. So okay, let me see, am I doing any mistake? So I cannot see till now any mistake here. So if my t minus m is less than equal to k, suppose if t minus m is less than equal to k, return what? Wait, return, okay, again return, yes, return true, yes, else, okay, wait, else return false. Yes, if t minus a is less than equal to k means window is valid. Window is valid, return true, else return false. And let me write here. Uh, wait, wait, I did something wrong. Here I don't know why. Okay, return MW. So let me see, will this code will give me right output or not. So if any error happens, it can be only by my spelling mistakes, or and otherwise I was writing it totally right. Let me see. It's pending. Okay, so means any error are we getting? It is pending. So see, runtime error. So why runtime error? Key dot k has already been declared. Okay, okay. So we k, not k, ke. Let's take it ke. Okay, we did this wrong. K was already declared, so that was wrong thing. And this is k only. This is ke means key. I'm not writing proper key. I'm just writing ke. So okay, right now we are doing it right. Let me see. Uh, KET0 M0, yes. Okay, so yeah, our code is accepted, and if I submit it, it will be submitted. Yes. So all submissions loading, and see, it is submitted, and it is running in okay, so what is the complexity of this code? So we are, what are we doing? So we are making our map each time, and we are iterating through the window n times. Okay, this iteration is happening. J is going from 0 to its length, and in that we are checking each time for map. So I think it's O of n, but for making that map, see, we are making map and we are reducing map. So it's O of n only, O of n, right? So O of n, see, it's O of n. Why? Because see, we are going like this. J is going like this, n iterations. But we are making map. We are using a space of n. But we are reducing value of map, and we are increasing just through that iteration only. And sometimes we are doing this, but that iteration is O of n times. We are iterating through the whole string n times. So that was my solution. You can see, you can use array also here. Why? You can make array of, which I told you, you can make array of 0 comma 0 comma and till 26 zeros, 26 zeros. Okay, and suppose a, and we will represent is this 0, this first 0 is representing a. If I found a, I will increase it value. If I again found a, I will increase its value. Suppose the second index b is b. If I found b, I will increase its value. If I again found it, I will increase its value. So this array code will be short code than this map, but both will work fine. And why, see, why we used map, not a for loop? Sometimes people say that we can use a for loop here. Why we can use a for loop here? See, suppose I'm going to iterate from j this time. Okay, so I will check, I will use a for loop from this I to j minus 1. Yes, I will use a for loop from I to this j minus 1, and I will check that are these, again, is this a window valid or not? For this valid window, I will check, is this window is valid. And how can I do that? I will see, we cannot use that, because whenever this type of sliding window question comes to you, always think about array or map, because searching in array and map is O of 1, which is very faster than using a loop will take O of n, so we never want O of n. So searching always take O of 1 inside map and array, always remember this, and everything is every other thing is sorted then. So this was my solution for this longest repeating character. and you can find some another interesting solution, so you can solve by them also. But this was my solution for this. So thank you so much and have a nice day.